That's why we're going to call this particular kind of process a weight process. Now we get ready to introduce the first law. In order to introduce the first law, we need to define a particular kind of a process that allows us to connect this more general theory that we are constructing to what we know from mechanics. So we consider the simplest mechanical object, something like that. Here it's represented by a mass in a gravity field, like a weight. That's why we're going to call this particular kind of process a weight process. So a weight process is one in which the external effect, you remember here, the external effect is the change of state of your system. In this case, for the weight process, B is just the weight, or the only effect that occurs outside of your system is the change in height or elevation of your weight. So if you have a process like this, your system changes from one state to another, and the only external effect is the change in elevation of a weight. We call it weight process.